Good morning. I warned you, my face is so puffy this morning. It's because I'm super tired. I went to bed about 2 o'clock in the morning last night because it took forever to edit and upload, well, edit Vlogmas and then edit the second video. We watched one episode of Virgin River even though it was too late, and then I had to take a shower because I worked out. So it was a long, long night. And I'm a night owl, so it wasn't too bad as far as, you know, actually staying up till 2. It's this morning that is killing me. So I started uploading first thing this morning, and it still has an hour and 8 minutes left because we live in a rural area outside of the city limits, so we have horrible internet, especially horrible upload speeds.
I'll open.
Open it for you?
Yeah.
Can you tell him good morning?
Good morning. Good morning.
Okay, I'll open for you. It's super cold outside and it's raining all day, and I just want iced coffee. Still my favorite. Oh, I have this new frosted sugar cookie creamer to try, but this is already open, so I need to finish it. But that sounds really, really good. This one is just coconut creme, and I love anything coconut in my coffee. They used to make one called coconut caramel latte. It was hands down my favorite of all times, and Coffee Mate stopped making it. Sad day. A little too sweet. Now all is right in the world. Do you ever throw things away that you know your kids would go, hey, I wanted that, or that's special to me? That's what I hear all the time. Throwing away a huge pile right now. And do you hide it under other trash? I definitely go and find something to put on top of it, or put it underneath like the trash that's on top right now. Follow me for more parenting hacks. Mason is watching an elephant documentary on Disney Plus. He has seen this a million times. I don't even know why he loves it so much, but it's a real elephant documentary that he wants to watch nearly every single day. I'm so tired of elephants at this point. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and open today's wine. Where's number 2? Here it is. Maybe today will be a white wine. Yes, white. And it is a Chardonnay, so I should like this one pretty well. Really, my favorite is unoaked Chardonnay, but I could definitely drink this better than a red. All right, I'm gonna put this in the fridge, and then I'm gonna make me some lunch. This one is actually from last week. I'm gonna make sure that it all still looks good because it's probably close to expiring. But I am hungry for lunch, and so I'm gonna get that started. Just got in the car pickup line and finally at least got halfway dressed for the day. We have nothing on the agenda today as far as outside of the house. So on the days I'm not leaving the house for anything, it's very hard for me to find motivation to do my hair and makeup. So I'm not gonna do that, but I finally did get dressed in some comfy clothes because it is the rainiest, nastiest day and it's cold. It's 46 degrees. I've just been cleaning a little house, working on editing, and tending to this one who has been so fussy lately. I'm not really sure what the deal is with him, but he has been just unhappy with everything. My hands are so dry now that we've got the heat going in the house and in the car. Super dry. This is Kaylee's first year in school. She's a kindergartner, and I have heard horror stories about car pickup line, how early you have to get there and how long it takes. Our car pickup line is so efficient. I mean, this Somebody must have previously worked at Chick-fil-A that runs this pickup line, because it runs great. You don't have to get here early to get a good spot. You don't wait a long time if you do get here later. And if you do get her early, then you have your kid in like less than 5 minutes from the time that they get out. So I'm really impressed. Entertaining Mason is the hardest thing to do, but other than that, I wouldn't mind sitting here for an hour, because I like being in my car and getting things done on my phone, ordering groceries, you know, anything, checking emails. But I like sitting in my car and listening to the radio or an audiobook and getting things done. But Mason gets really antsy. How was school today?
Great.
Was it good?
It was.
Why are you wearing your lunchbox?
I was playing kitty yesterday.
Holder for your kitty.
Uh-huh.
You ready to go take a nap?
Well, I could be ready, but can I bring my candy cane?
No, you can't bring it. Let's finish it and then we'll take a nap. She's been dragging because she stayed up late every night over Thanksgiving break. It's fun though, wasn't it?
And you know what else is fun, guys?
What?
I slept with y'all. Well, not really y'all that mommy's filming, but I slept with my mommy and daddy.
Because it was vacation.
Mm-hmm.
You need to go pick up all your shoes and socks, put them in your room, and go get your pajamas and put them in the basket. So these little cubbies I built in my laundry room are the absolute best and worst things I could have ever done. It's such a two-edged sword, because these are clean clothes baskets. Things can come right out of the dryer into the clean clothes basket and don't have to be folded or put away, and yet they're still like put away and hidden. But the flip side of that is I never fold my stuff, and so I have overflowing baskets of clothes. And so I've got to tackle at least one, because I've got another load in the washing machine with nowhere to put it. So, but yes, if you ever have the opportunity to redo your laundry room, these are amazing. About to get my workout in. Greg was nice enough to cook dinner for us so I can get my workout in a little bit earlier, and tonight is strength. Yesterday was cardio, today's strength, and you just need dumbbells and a band. You don't have to have a band, but don't laugh at my 3-pound dumbbells. I have 3 and 7, and I really need a pair of 5s, but I don't think I have any. Actually, do I have any 5-pound weights?
I don't think you do.
I need to get some. But for now, starting out, I'm going with little 3-pounders.
You ready?
Can you say you're welcome? All right, tonight's is a Chardonnay.
Can I have some? Can I have some, Mommy?
No, ma'am. This is for adults only.
Hey, you got more than Daddy.
He didn't want a lot. This was good. It's not my favorite Chardonnay. You don't like it at all?
Nope.
That's why I am with red.
Let me see. It's a combination of rubbing alcohol and laundry detergent.
The Chardonnay, I mean,
A red is not?
No, that's good.
But this tastes like laundry detergent.
Yeah, that's what it tastes like to me.
This might not have been the best advent calendar. Glad it didn't cost a lot because we're both not really drinking it. Just tasting it. Mason, what you doing? What you doing?
What?
Can I get in it?
I'm ready to. Come on.
Night night.
Mason, can you tell him night-night?
I'm sorry about this pack, but I just this is just where my kitty lives. Meow.
Can you tell him night-night?
Night night.
All right. Y'all are going to bed. We are also going to call it a night. I need to get in bed a lot earlier, so we're going to end it here, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.